Giggles and grapes.
This is the alphabet, V. Let's color the alphabet, V. Can you help us find what comes from V? Is it guava? Is it violin? Is it ugly fruit? V for violin. V for violin. This is the alphabet, W. Let's color the alphabet, W. Can you help us find what comes from W? Is it pigeon? Is it nest? Is it whale? W for whale. W for whale. This is the alphabet, X. Let's color the alphabet, X. Can you help us find what comes from X? Is it queen? Is it violin? Is it xylophone? X for xylophone. X for xylophone. This is the alphabet, Y. Let's color the alphabet, Y. Can you help us find what comes from Y? Is it jug? Is it yam? Is it teapot? Y for yam. Y for yam. This is the alphabet, Z. Let's color the alphabet, Z. Can you help us find what comes from Z? Is it planet? Is it dinosaur? Is it zebra? Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
Subscribe, like, don't forget to press the bell icon.